Welcome to 223 acres of southern Iowa ground, located in Western Appanoose County, right in the heart of southern Iowa. This farm offers a solid mix of income potential and recreation, with rolling pastures, several ponds, and a year-round creek running through it. Whether you're looking to run cattle, cut hay, or plant native grasses, this land is ready to go to work. A conservation easement is in place, protecting the natural character of the property for future generations. It still allows for ag use, grazing, and all your outdoor activities, while preserving the land's integrity long-term. The hunting here is excellent. Thick cover, natural water, and gentle topography create prime habitat for whitetail deer and turkey. This is a quiet, low-pressure area, perfect for anyone serious about the outdoors. Wide open views, clean water, and the kind of peaceful setting that's hard to come by. This is a property you can enjoy year-round, whether you're chasing deer in the fall or grazing cattle in the summer. 223 acres in Appanoose County, Iowa. A smart investment, a rare opportunity, and a place that's ready for whatever you have in mind.